So the speculation that I've listened to and read about, what are they called? Bubbleists? Bubbleists. No such thing exists. Certainly, we have a union contract in place. We have a collective working agreement within our hotel. Any discussions with regards to anybody going out on retirement or taking voluntary packages would be discussed with our union first as a matter of courtesy and respect. It wouldn't be discussed in public at all. We're not even at that point. We're at a point now where we're managing the property on a day-to-day basis to the best of our ability to ensure that whatever sale process goes through smoothly, that we bring on board a great investor that's going to put money into this property and upgrade our facilities. With all of that happening, it gives us a wonderful opportunity to restructure our business, for our young folk to move through. We have loads and loads of millennial staff working in this property now that are all looking for an opportunity to grow. And we have large numbers of folks that are past retirement age that are actually saying, please give us a package, let us go on retirement. So we see a give and take, a bit of a yin and yang happening in the business over the coming months. So it's quite exciting on the one hand, but can be very nerve-wracking for some folks on the other hand. We have absolutely no intention as a business to hurt anybody along the way, primarily our long-standing employees. Average length of service at the Radisson is 17 years. Average age of our employees is 47. 413 full-time employees.
That's right.
So if you consider the average age at 47, these folks have been here a long time. It's institutional employment. And of course, any kind of change like this would be nerve-wracking for anybody. It'd be nerve-wracking for me. If I'd been in a property for 30 years and suddenly, out of nowhere, a change was going to take place, of course that would be very worrying. What we seek to do by talking to you today is to say, please help us. These folks don't deserve that. They don't deserve the speculation. They don't deserve the backwards and forwards, this organization's going to buy it, that organization's going to buy it, so-and-so heard from so-and-so that XYZ all-inclusive is going to buy it. This just creates sleepless nights for good, hard-working people in this building, and that's not fair. We're going through a process. It's a very simple process. We're working with some great partners. We have a good team at Carlson Residor in Minneapolis that are working hard on ensuring that we stay at Radisson. This is a very strategic property for our company, particularly for our owned and managed group, which is based out of North America. It's a very strategic property. No one within the company, including the ownership, wants to see Radisson and Aruba disappear. This is a big business, part of a big organization, and seeing it disappear would be very, very sad for everybody. So no whimsical decisions are being made, and this is not purely financial. In other words, this is not about the person with the deepest pockets and the mega millions wins the prize.